Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily delete your board or how you can close the board. That's the better wording, I think. So what I want to do is just click here on business on my board, and then you will find here the show menu. And now what you want to do is just click on more. And when you will be more, you will see it here, close board or beard or bird or yeah, so yeah, that was a really lame joke, I know. Now I'm going to click on close. Business is closed. Oh no, my business is closed. That was good joke, right? I know you laughed, you at least smile. Permanently delete the board. I'm sorry business, but you are closed. Oh no, board is not found. And voila, you don't have any board here in Trello. So this is how you can delete or close board in Trello. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. Thank you, have a great day, and see you. Goodbye.